I'm going to show you exactly how to create a clean, clickable button in Canva, even if you've never designed anything before. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add your shape, style your button, and make it fully clickable so it actually works inside your PDF. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and click Create on the left panel. Choose any canvas size you want, and once your blank canvas opens, go to Elements on the left and scroll to the Shapes section. Click See All and select the rounded square. When it appears on your canvas, resize it until it looks like a button. Now click on your shape and open the color picker. Choose the transparent or no color option so you only keep the outline. Then go to the top toolbar and click Stroke Style. Set the stroke to solid and adjust the weight using the slider until your outline looks clean and balanced. Next, head over to Text and add a heading right in the middle of your button. Double-click to type your word. After that, click the text again and open the three dots. Scroll until you see Link. Add the URL or the specific page inside your design where you want people to be redirected when they click the button. Once everything is ready, click Share at the top right and download your file as a PDF standard. Open it on your device and test the button to make sure it's responsive. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You now know exactly how to make a clean, clickable button in Canva that works perfectly for lead magnets, guides, and digital products. Keep experimenting with different button styles, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.